video. This video is going to be about me co-washing my hair. For those that do not know, a co-wash is pretty much washing your hair only with conditioner. So basically, still trying to get that moisture in your hair without using, shampoos. They're usually done like in between wash days, and that is what I'm doing. I washed my hair last week, and this week I'm going to be co-washing my hair. All right, so, and then next week it'll just be a normal wash day. I went out and I bought a couple of products. The first product is She Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt with Manfura and Boba, something like that, oils. Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So it says you can use this kind of as like your, the directions say you can, apply quarter-size amounts from the roots to the ends and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. And it says then rinse, but it says may also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. So that's how I'm going to be using this product today. This is my first time testing all of these things. Oh, but this smells like really good and looks great, so that's a plus. And then afterwards, I'll be using this as my co-wash conditioner. It's the Cream of Nature brand. It's called Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. And my hair is dry and damaged, honey. Okay, so I will definitely be using this. And then after I wash my co-wash out, the main reason why I went to the store was for leave-in conditioners, because I'm hoping that this will help for my hair to retain moisture, because I realize after like 3 or 4 days it starts to get dry, and I never really used like anything to follow up after my deep conditioning or conditioning every wash day or co-wash day. I just only put in the conditioner and then just put in a little oil after. But that's why I went out and got the leave-in conditioners. And this, the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In. I bought so many things. So it's 5 different things we'll be trying here today. And I will not be using my deep conditioning Mega Growth Perfective deep conditioner that I usually use. I'll be using this instead, like I said. So first thing first, like I said, I'm going to use this as like a pre-wash. So I'm not really sure how to use it, but I'm going to try to use it to the best of my ability. I'm just going to use it to help strengthen my hair, because the main thing is strengthening your hair. If you don't strengthen your hair, every time your hair grows, it's just going to fall off. And that's why I try to pay the most attention to the ends, because they are like the oldest part of your hair, so you gotta make sure you protect those. I look so crazy right now. Okay, you guys, so I just finished rinsing out that protein power treatment. It's really good, you guys. I mean, I can tell a difference already, and I haven't even done the mask yet, so I would definitely recommend getting a protein, not even if it's not this, some type of protein treatment. That way it protects your hair, like it gives it more strength. It strengthens your hair, you know. Okay. And then, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Ooh, oh. Okay, so this, the consistency of this, it's like, you see what I'm saying? It's not like the other one. It smells so good too. It's like a light scented. Well, the first one was light scented. This is like a little stronger, but it smells really good. But yeah, so if you could go out and get a protein treatment before, so that you can apply it, use it as a treatment before your co-wash or your shampoo or anything like that. I am going in. I already started. You see, this is the consistency. It's like, feels good though. It feels right. It's not too like loose, not too watery. Is that the word? You know, it's just the right amount, and it's still not too thick or whatever, because, you know, easier to apply. So that's always a good thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue applying this all over. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally finished washing out the mask, the hair mask that I used for my as a conditioner. Works very well. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go in with all of these. It's like, oh my gosh, overkill. Yeah, but you know, just a little bit of everything. So we're gonna take some of the She Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I was missing, just a leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna quickly apply it to my hair, not too much. The smell on this, it's good, but it's light as well, but for some reason it smells like Play-Doh to me. Like, that's the smell that I'm getting from this. I can't really explain it more than that. Like, it just smells like Play-Doh when I was growing up as a kid. Now, it's not to the point where, you know, you won't be able to use it. It still smells good. Now I'm just gonna go in again, and I'm going to apply the She Moisture Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. So I'm gonna use all of these. I'm just gonna blow dry with heat and flat iron my hair, and then I'll show you guys the end results. You guys, I feel so good. My hair, it feels so light, but yet it feels as if it's so moisturized, you guys. Like, oh, it's so moisturized. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. You notice I added all of this just for the effects. Like, oh, bam, surprise! Yes, my hair is looking good, and so am I. What's up? But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Please, 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 if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my relaxed hair journey, and to tune in to any other fun things that I add on my channel. Thank you.